Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad. And today, we have a wood pellet train to run. It's kind of a short one. We've only got one car in service at the moment. The rest of them are hanging up in storage, so we'll run it lightly. I mean, it's winter time and the ties are all saturated. Despite the fact that they're frozen, they're still saturated. And they don't want to hang on to the rail in some of the curves, so we've got that problem going on. Oops, I'm too close. Well, it's all empty now. Eric and Jonathan emptied it out into the sugar house over here. It's a mess, but, well, here we are. There's 20 bags in there for right now. I have another 20 bags to bring in, maybe, if there's that much left. We pulled some off of the pallet before we loaded the train up, because we needed some in the house. So, anyway. Alright, here we are, all loaded part 2 of the pellet train. Let's just back this onto the siding and run around it. Oh. I just fixed that part of the track 2 days ago. Guess I didn't fix it well enough. Well, this complicates things. Alright, we're back on. Maybe not. I'll hold that.
Standing at the top of the hill going, oh, Aaron's doing a video, we'll stay out of his way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, as he's calling me to come up and give him a hand.
Yeah.
Aaron's
Eric's
failing
like,
miserably on camera.
What's going on, Eric?
Don't.
Oh, is that why?
Yep.
Is this gonna have the nut
Just
to get
please
it
step aside.
up? I am as out of the way as I can be.
Okay. It's still on the ground?
You have,
Yeah.
yes,
Front truck, back truck, I can't-
it's the front truck second axle.
Front truck, second axle? Dang. Oh, so it is. Jared, can you come give me a hand?
Sure.
Alright, lift.
Keep lifting.
Keep going up. Up, 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 up.
Down slowly.
The front axle is not lined up. I can see it from here. There it is.
All right, you gotta bring it that way. Here.
Like this?
Bring it towards me.
Yeah.
Yep. Eric, you look at the wheels.
Lift
I can
up.
see this.
Lift up and swing.
Swing it my way.
Okay.
All right.
Is the second axle on?
Go down.
That's good.
All right, we're on.
Hold that from rolling. Yeah. It wants to bad.
Uber.
Uber?
I said, oh my.
Oh.
Well, no, I was just in like the worst position possible to try and keep that from rolling when it hit the ground.
I often find myself in that position.
It's making me dig into the snow. Not you closed the knuckle by backing up.
Wow.
Good job.
By backing up.
All right, that's it.
All right. I think we're on.
All right, give it some momentum and let it rip.
That's what I'm doing.
Right there, look up. I'm a banker on the Licky Incline. And it's off. Oh, that was short-lived.
Well.
I
Yeah.
told you, 105 just really doesn't like this spot. No matter how much work we do to it.
I mean, we could always just rip it up and.
Put new rail on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. This isn't new rail. This is still the old stuff. We didn't start putting new rail till like somewhere down here.
No, this is the new rail.
This is?
Mm-hmm.
Thought we started that further down the hill.
Well,
Regardless.
problem is saturated ties don't hold screws.
No, they don't. And lack of tie plates doesn't help with that either.
Yeah. So anyway, welcome to winter.
Away!
Great big.
You can back up. Oh, you closed
Good
it
job,
by.
Oops.
I'm
There we
holding it
go.
on this end. That way it doesn't go. Should be just the front axle if I'm not mistaken.
No, it's the whole front truck.
Oh.
I mean, yeah. I did a good job this time.
Should I shovel out an area to stand here once we're done with this? Because it seems like this is a recurring area.
Maybe. Couldn't hurt. Lift up, 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 up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Now that it's airborne, I can't let go of this.
Shift it my way. Keep going. Lower it. Okay, we're on the track. Don't let her roll back this
No.
way.
If anything, I'm going that way.
Okay.
Good.
Here, we'll do the HO scale thing and put frog snot on the wheels of the 70.
Frog snot.
No.
I should be able to get going from here.
Maybe a little sand or something, but
Definitely Sanders.
sanders would be nice. You got to be careful with sanders. You can burn the rail.
Burn the rail, pit the wheels.
Yeah. You do all kinds of damage with that stuff. Anyway,
I don't want
It's
that
not
thing.
supposed to stand like
wood
that,
pellet
but it's-
train adventures.
Is it supposed to? No, and I'm glad it did because if it fell, it would have went. Dook.
Well, that's why I was like, oh, let me give this to Eric. Oh, wait, the handle is stuck.
Just kind of three stooges over here.
Yeah.
Cold weather does cold things.
We love the cold, don't we?
Ice on the rails.
Don't worry, you'll cook it off.
As far as I'm going.
Yeah. All right.
There we go. That is our skate, our parking brake. The only brake on the train, by the way, other than the regenerative brake on the, that is the traction motor. So, well, I guess we unload now. At least we didn't unload automatically and all at once on a curve. I don't want to do that ever again.
Hey, at least it's a one-car pellet train, unlike last year with my blunder and 4 full cars of pellets going sideways. Not proud of that.
You shouldn't be. I wouldn't be.
Sorry,
I wouldn't be either.
4 full cars of
You
pellets.
loaded it.
I was about to say, you were part of the cause.
Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Share the video with your friends if you want. Subscribe, or you could become a channel member, or join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad, where paid members get early access to videos and some exclusive content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.